Hi everyone, this is Jason here, and I'm going to showcase today the KAC 2-inch platform bike rack for your car, truck, RV. I'm using this for my truck and also for my RV. Going on a trip very soon. Need a bike rack for 2 bikes, and it's really important that I don't have them in the storage compartment or on the roof, especially with an RV. You want them contained in the back for the most part to make it safe and functional. I like this type of bike rack due to the fact that it has an actual bottom track where you can put the wheels on it and you're not hanging it from the frame, because mine is a V style. I do have a bar that goes across to modify it to set on any V style frame bike rack, but I like this one. This is going to be an unboxing today. Just an unboxing. I'm going to put this together myself later on and test it out, but I'll have another video down the road of this bike rack in use on my RV and on my truck. And also the link to this rack will be in the description below, so you can see what it's like for yourself and also to purchase it. And I really greatly appreciate if you use that link. It really helps me out significantly, helps me grow the channel as well as the videos that I'm doing. Thanks so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe after this video or before the video ends. I'm putting on my gloves just for safety if there's any sharp edges. I love my thick rubber gloves. So we're going to take this box off, and it's packed really well. A lot of tape on the outside. Over here, we have the components in another box. I'm going to get a scissors and cut these. I'll give you an idea what's in this box today. Do an unboxing. And I'll do an overview video down the road. Main goal is to be careful because you don't know what kind of parts are in here. It's going to be fun putting this together. Got the instructions right here. Follow those instructions. Don't pretend that you know what you're doing. I did that before. It doesn't work. Styrofoam. Okay, here we go. Comes with a tool set and the hardware, which is nice. I really like that. Allen wrenches. Also, other tools, the straps you need as well, are in here. And I'm not going to open it up because I got to really organize this. Also, these are the handles for the top part. So there's parts to the side. Organize your parts. Really important to organize. Another one right here. I'm in a crouch down position just because it was limited space. Same exact thing. The handle for the top, or the part where the bike frame rests. Not necessarily the handle, but where it rests, where the frame sits on. Also, these are the tracks on both sides. So you have tracks. I won't worry about opening those up until later. Other side, the track where the wheels sit on the ground, or when the wheel sits on here. And there's 2 on each side for 2 bikes. And tracks right here. Put that box to the side. And looking good here. Use the styrofoam to kneel on. Nice. Plenty of styrofoam. Right. This is a heavy piece. Be really careful. This is the hitch for 1.5 inch, also to 2 inches. And it has a bolt right here where you can bolt it in, where it locks in place. And also we have some hardware here as well with the hitch pin. Put that back in here. And we got 3 other bars that help build the bike rack right here. And last one, right there. Overall, it looks fairly simple. Got to read the instructions, take my time, put some good music on, and relax and breathe, because I know it takes a while to do things. But I'm Jason here. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing of the KAC platform bike rack found online. I'll have the link for you below in the description. Please follow that link if you're interested in this product. They're great. Please like, share, and comment. And tell me what you liked about it, what you didn't like about the bike rack when you purchased it, and also what you thought of the video. this quick and fast, simple unboxing here for you to give you an overview of everything. I'm just going to zoom in real quick on what it's going to look like. Here in the picture, give you an idea right there, and instructions. But you're going to have that in front of you. I'm going to follow these instructions after. But thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. And awesome, you are awesome. See you next time. Watch my other videos and stay tuned.